I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Beth Reilly, and I am with the Flamingo Group, and I'm a realtor. And our team has been very interested in the building of green homes. And the start of this is with Joe Pasma from Enercept, and he's the national sales manager for the Enercept Incorporated. I have lots of questions for you, Joe. You have a PE after your name. Could you give us a little bit of a brief of what does that mean?
That that stands for professional engineer, which means I'm a structural engineer by training. So in order for me or the building codes to accept a structural design that I would work on, I have to be licensed. And I have to be licensed in the state that that building is being constructed in. So by putting that PE shows that designation, and I'm licensed in 6 or 7 states.
Excellent. You must like this technology.
I do. I got started with it back in '92, and I've spent 10 years in the Twin Cities area, actually just doing installs of basements and exterior shells, and then turning the product back over, the building back over to the homeowners to finish off. And then I've worked and done a lot of technical support work for the various manufacturing companies that I worked for. And now I support our sales team as the national sales manager at Enercept. And I believe in the material, I believe in the product. Back in 2002, my wife and I did an addition on our house in White Bear, and we went from 1,800 square feet to 5,000 square feet under roof. It happens to be Enercept SIP panels.
Okay.
And when we did that, our energy costs didn't go up. Obviously, our bills now are more expensive than they were back then because of the price of gas and heat. But comparatively, when we did the addition, we didn't see any increase in our utility bills through, well, then it was NSP, now it's XL. But I think that to me is a living testament that the panels are very energy efficient.